The recording is started already. So you could see that first of all we have written first column from the given question, second column from the given question, and our objective is to generate the third column, that is Q11, Q21, Q31, and later on we'll generate other two columns as well. So first of all we will find Q11 or P01, it is up to you, whatever the way you write. So Q11, what is the formula? I told you about the idea of using the cross multiplication, or the way you understood the things, it is up to you. So the formula is x minus x naught multiplied by P1 minus x1 multiplied by P naught divided by x1 minus x naught. So this is the use of the formula, and we have seen it already in the previous class. Now you have to just utilize. Now we'll just need to identify what is x according to the given question. According to the given question, what is x? The first, if you see at the top, the first number which is written f of 8.4. So 8.4 is your x. Okay, f of 8.4, it is written that? Yeah. So that is called your x, 8.4. Okay. So your x is 8.4. minus x naught 8.1. P naught is 17.56 492 minus 8.4 minus x1 8.3 multiply by 16.94410 divided by 8.3 minus 8.1. So we have generated a new point which is Q11. So what is the answer altogether? 17.87533. That is Q11. Okay. So you could see in the table that I have written Q11 as P01. Why it is P01? Because x0 and x1 point is used in this calculation of Q11. Okay, so that is telling you that it's kind of indication that, or the signal you that you have what point you have to use. For example, P01 mean it is indicating that you are using x0 and x1, and the next one is 12, the next point P12. So when you are talking about P12, it means you are going to use x1 and x2, these 2 points. Okay, that is the indication, that is giving you the direction, mean how you could calculate your further points. So if you are getting the direction properly, so you will not be lost. And in the next one P23, it means you will be using x2 and x3. Yeah. So now we'll try to calculate Q21. Okay, Q21, which is also 1 2. So in this point we have 8.3 and 8.6. So again 8.4 minus 8.3 multiply by P2 18.50515 minus 8.4 minus 8.6 multiply by 17.56 492 divided by 8.6 minus 8.3. So this is 8.6 and this is 8.3. What is Q21? Yeah. Rayan is busy. 17.8 833. So Q21 and Q. So now we calculate Q31, which is also called P23. Okay, should we move on?
The answer of Q21 is wrong.
U21 is wrong?
Yeah. Q21 is wrong.
What? It's okay?
Check
Wrong mean?
the calculation. Just the calculation.
Okay. So should we move on to the next one? Now for the 3-1,
The third one,
x minus
x3, x2,
x2
p3
p3
minus x
minus x3 p2 divided by x3 minus x2. Now we'll be putting the values. X is 8.4, x2 is 8.6 multiply by p3 18.82091 minus x is 8.4 minus x3 is 8.7 multiplied by 18.50515 divided by 8.7 minus 8.6. Okay, so that is Q31 or P23. What is the answer? 17.87 63.
No, 363.
3. Okay. 363. If we keep until 2 decimal place, it is also equally fine. There is no any problem in it. 2 to 3 decimal place. There is no need to have more decimal places. Okay. So it means that we have generated 3 values, and these 3 values we mention here. What are these values? Q11 is 17.87, and 21 is 17. It is also 17.87. Is also 17.87, and the last one is also 17.87.
The first one I got 18.02.
The first one, Q11. Q11 mean? So please recheck how much?
I got 17.87, the same one.
Same. And for you, in your case? Same? Because it might be little bit different. All the values are 8.87, 8.8, 17.87, 17.87. Could be different as well. In next class, I'll bring my laptop to show you the simulation or all the values generated through the computer, so that you will see the right values. Okay. So whatever, basically we have generated the values already. 17.87 or something like that we have generated already. A little bit, it should be little bit different, not too much. So let's put it 17.87 as well. Okay. So we have generated one of the column, and the next column should be Q2. So the second column should be Q22 and 32, and isn't it? Because we have moved downward, so row and column is changed. So we are in second row and the second column as well. So the matrix we write usually. So that is the same process. So Q22 is depending upon, now this is the crucial one. The next immediate column generation is easier, and now you have to consider something here which is important one. So for Q22, what is to be done? You have your first column and second column. Now you will not touch upon the second column. Instead, you will be relying upon your third column that you have generated already. Third column and the first column is relevant for generating these 2 points. Okay. So what you do? So you will be picking 8.1 from there, 8.1, and then skipping the middle one and considering 8.6. Okay, 8.1 and skip the middle one, the immediate first one, and next point is 8.6, because need 2 points. In the previous, when we were generating q1 1 2 1 and 3 1, we need 2 points for each of the point. So in that case we also need 2 points. We will not use 8.1 and 8.3, okay, when we are generating a new column. We'll be skipping the first 8.3 for q22, and then we will move on. By skipping the previous one, we'll move on to 8.3 and then again skip the middle one, which is 8.6, and keeping the 8.7. Okay, so I'll tell you the process, what is to be done. So I will use the color. So in this, for this iteration, I'm coloring this. You will use 8.1 and 8.6. Okay, and for the next iteration I'm coloring with blue, so you will be using these 2 points. Okay, and correspondingly you have already the all the points. Okay, so for 813 you will use these 2 points, sorry. So these 2 points will be used for q22 and these 2 points will be used for q32. Got it? Yeah. So you could take the picture of this table so that it will be used in the further next iteration. I think somebody could turn on the light so that. Yeah. Okay, so have you taken the picture? Okay, so now we are generating the next point. No, not yet. Mason is sleeping? No? q22. Okay, so for q22 you will have again x minus x1, sorry, x0, sir, x0, and correspondingly we have to pick from the table this 2 1. Okay, we have to pick this point corresponding, because we are considering the cross multiplication. So this 8.1 multiplied by 17.87 and 8.6 will be multiplied to the 17.87 by this way. Okay, so you will have, let me write by this way, and in term of p, for example, if you would like to write in term of p, so you are reaching at this 2 point by using 0, 1 and 2. So you will reach at this point by using these 3 points, because it's a stepwise process, and you are reaching at this stage by using 1, 2 and 3. So it means that x minus x0 will be multiplied by p 1, 2, 3 minus x x. So we will skip x1, so x2 multiplied by p 0, 1, 2 divided by x2 minus x1, sorry, x0. Okay. So again 8.4 is your x, x naught is 8.1, and P123 is the first generated point, that is also called the sorry, I think I have used the wrong information. So it's a 0 because that is the for the next point, that is location for the new points. So since we are using the old the generated point, so it should be 1 2 and 0 1. So please make it correct. It's 1 2 and 0 1. Okay. So 1 2 is P12. So P12 is 17.87. I think same, both points are same. 17.87 minus x2. So x2 is, this one is not 1 and x2 is 8.6. 8.4 minus 8.6 multiplied by 17.87 divided by 8.6 minus 8.1, that is Q22. Okay. So you will calculate and you will see the answer.
Same.
Same? I think your calculator is on standard format. What about, you're sleeping?
Sir, I got also 17.87.
17, let's keep it 17.87. So the main thing is understand the logic. Main thing, don't concentrate your answer, mainly understand the logic that we are using here. And the next point is third row and second column, and it will be generated through x minus, so we'll be picking x2 now, x2, because we are skipping no
1 and 3.
so yeah, x1 multiply by and x minus x3, the last one, and p 1 2 and this is 2 3 divided by x3 minus x1. Okay. So you should write x minus x1. X is 8.4 minus x1, 8.3 multiplied by P23 is 17.87 minus 8.4 minus x3 is 8.7 into 17.87 divided by 8.7 minus 8.3. So what is Q?
The same.
No problem. 17.87. So the last point, so last point from the table will be, what should be the last point? Q 33. So Q33 is our last point, and it will be calculated by using all the points. Okay. So we will calculate this point Q33 by using x minus x naught multiplied by p minus x minus x3. Before before iteration we have skipped 1 point. Now we will skip 2 points, x1 and x2. Okay. By skipping 2 points, we x naught, what we have skipped 1 and 2. So we are skipping 2 points. So that is p. So this p is called 1, 2, 3, and it is 0, 1 and 2 divided by x3 minus x naught. So that is the last point. 8.4.
How many marks for this question?
How many? So marks will be, according to the iteration, how many iteration if I'm asking. So I'm letting, in the examination we are not asking all the iteration. Okay. I'm asking for specific iteration, because if I'm asking all the iteration, so you will be, doing this paper all the day. So I will ask specific question about this iteration, but you must know how each iteration is calculated. Okay. So x naught is 8.1 multiplied by 17.87, 8.4 minus last point is 8.7 multiplied by 17.87 divided by 8.7 minus 8.1. So just calculate, and I think you will get the same thing might be. Q33. So what you're getting? Same. 17.87. So now I'm coming back to the, the idea, what type of question could be there in the examination. The way each iteration is calculated we have seen here. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the type of things that might be expected in your examination. This could also be, it's not that it cannot be, but this could also be. Let me, okay, so I have also started recording. So this is P12 and this is P123. So now I'm solving for P12. What is the answer of this? 0.4 minus 0.25 multiplied by 2.4. 1.48 minus 0.4 minus 0.75. It's a plus 0.35. P12. Okay. So 2.96 multiplied by 0.5. 2.96 multiplied by 0.5. 1.48 for this answer.
This 148 is wrong one.
This is wrong.
Yeah.
How much is it? 0.
0.15.
0.15.
0.36.
0.36. So 0.36, and this is 0.36 equal to 0.35 P12. So 1.48 minus 0.36, 1.12 divided by 0.35, 3.2. So P12 is 3.2. Okay, P12 is 3.2 we have found, and then this value, this P12 will be used where? Here in this question to get the P2. This equation, this is A, this is B. So we solve B to get the P12, and then we will use this value in the A. So put P12, which is equal to 3.2, in equation A. Okay, so you will get the new point.
So this equation
This one. Here P12 is 3.2. So you have so P12 is equal to 0.4 minus 0.25 is 0.15 into P2 minus 0.4 and 0.5 is plus 0.1 multiplied by 2. So 10% of 2 is 0.2. and divided by 0.25. So 0.12 is 3.2 multiplied by 0.25 equal to 0.15 P2. So what about 2 multiplied by 0.1? 0.2. So 0.25 multiplied by 3.2, which is 0.8, and minus 0.2, 0.15 P2. So you have 0.6, 0.15 P2. So P2 is equal to 0.6 divided by 0.6 divided by 0.15. Answer is 4. Okay, so that is P2. Okay, P2 is found, and that is obvious. You have 1, 2, the double of 1 is 2, the double of 2 is 4, the double of 4 is 8. You see the sequence of P0, P1, P2, P3. Okay. So it means 4 is correct value. Okay, done. So that is the type of question might be facing during the examination. So please practice at home, because these questions are not difficult. These questions are not difficult, only need practice. Does not have any technicality, just the formula and practice.
बस दो